Hi, this is the YouTube channel for Math Contest Go Go Go. What I want to do for this channel is to build a platform for math lovers in order to make them discuss about different kinds of math problems. I will update a video about challenging problems every day. If you would like, please subscribe below. Hi, this is the North America Math Contest Go Go Go. We are going to talk about first 20 problems of Gauss today. First, the value of this is going to be 0 or 40, which is equivalent to 0. Problem 2, when x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4, the value of xy minus x, it is going to be equal to 9. Problem 3, the coordinates of q is going to be 5, 3, which here he inherits 5 and here he inherits 3, which is going to be 5, 3. Problem 4. Which of the following numbers is less than 120? This is B. Now we are going to work on problem 5. In the diagram, point Q lies on PR and S lies on QT. What is the value of X? So to do this, it is mostly like this. So we know that here, this is equals to 30, and this is equals to 130, and this is equals to 20. So we get problem 5, right, which is 20 degrees. Problem 6. Matilda counted the birds that visited her bird feeder yesterday. She summarized the data on his bar graph chart. The percentage of birds that were goldfinch were. We know that the goldfinch, there were 6 goldfinch, 9 sparrow, and 5 crackles. So we know the possibility is going to be 30%. The average of two positive numbers, m. So we know the positive number, the average is the average between two numbers. So we know it will represent like this. So we know that m plus n is equal to 10, and n will be equal to 9 as the most. Problem 8. Roman wins a contest with a prize of 200. He gave what remains. So we know that he gave 60 to Jackie and he left $140. He then splits what it remains. So what it remains is 21. 21 divided by 2 is equal to 10.5. Therefore, Roman gives Dell $10.5. Let's continue. Shaded and unclear friends are arranged in a row who are. The first row consists of one unshaded square. Each row begins in. So this means the number of shaded square. So we can find the second row has 1 shaded square. The third row has 2 shaded square. The fourth row has 3 shaded square. So therefore, the 20th row is going to have 19 shaded square. In the diagram, pentagon PQRST has PQ equals to 13. So the area of this pentagon. Let's do this problem. It has a perimeter of 82, so we know that this is 30, right? And we know this is 812 and this is 18. So we know that the fact that this here is 12. So we know this is equals to 5. So since we know the perimeter is 61 and we know the perimeter is 82, so there is 21 left. 61 plus 5 is 66. So 82 minus 66 is going to be 16, and here it's going to have 8. So we know 30, 96, 144, 270 are going to be the final answer. We have done the first 10 problems. So we know to do this problem, is asking us. So to do this problem, we can just use a law to solve this. We can see if we times this size by 5, then it is going to be equal to this. So therefore, the answer is only 45 times 5 is 225. 12. The volume of a rectangular prism is 21. The length, the height, something is all different numbers. So we know 21 is equal to 3 times 7, so the third number is going to be 1. So we know that the sum is going to be 11. Find the value of n if this. So we can just do this. And we know n is equal to 3 times 20, which is 60. Joanna chooses 3 different numbers from the set something and multiply them. What is the greatest value of this? 3 numbers. To do this problem, you can try. So this is the largest, actually should be this. Using try and error, we can find it's 168. What about 210? We should know the cos. He thinks it is 210 because of this. However, this is negative, which it will become negative to 110. So this will be 168 at last, which is A. Problem 15. The ratio of green marble to yellow marble to red marble are this. If 63 are not red, so which is 63 divided by 7 is 9. So which means each is 9, and 9 times 2 is going to be 18. Finally, we come to our last 4 problems. O is the center. So we can make a list so it looks like this, right? So here we know this is 72 pi. We know that the formula is going to be this. Pi r squared. So r is equal to root 72. So we know that since this, then the area of 1 square is going to be 36. Right? So we get the answer is 36. Next problem. Cayley makes treat bags. Each bag contains exactly 1 chocolate, 1 mint, and 1 caramel. So this problem. We first find the least common multiple of them. 200. What we are going to do next is we add up them together. And we get the final answer. It is 4 plus 5 plus 8 is 17. 18. Nate is driving to see if he rides the speed of he will arrive. Set the time as X. So based on they have the same distance, we list out formulas of this. So he will spend 5 hours So which means his total distance is 240. Then we divide it by 5, which is 48. D. For problem 19, we need to list each sum. 50 can be answered. 49. 30. We first eliminate the number that can be answered. That can answer. Those, they can definitely be answered. So we try this until plus 4. So we can see that this can all definitely be answered. So which means 6 answered, 4 unanswered. So this is 35. So we can see here plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. There's no problem. So 39 cannot be answered. 43, 45, 4 cannot be answered. So 6 problem cannot be answered. D. Right? Yes. So how many pairs of Mn satisfying this and this? Okay. Let's see the sequence of them. This is the sequence of 3. This is the sequence of 3, 1. They are the same. You can see this. There are 4 combinations. So let's see how many times they have for each combination. Let's see M. There are 25 for each of them on M. Right? So 7N. So the starting is remainder 1 is going to be this. And the ending remainder 1 is also this. Okay. So this is 104, which each of them has 26 possibilities. So the possible answer are going to be this. 2,600. So here we come to our end of 20 problem, Cayley, and I hope you liked it. See you next week. In fact, problems, they have many solutions, and my solution is only a part of them. If you have more challenging solutions, please comment below. And don't forget, I will also post my problems there. See you tomorrow!